Melissa og idol.
Sushi ha?
Yahak sushi din na yung ani.
Ballpen ko ano siya, friction pen. Mairis na ballpen.
Nga buwan, sushi.
Wala na, uy. Idol ni kay na ngayon siya ng ani oh. Pero dili kay ni gamit ninyo ko.
Someday na.
Kanang sa Japanese food nga ako maninimo dito ka.
Oh, dapat paginani sa ko.
O, dali may nasunod ha. Balik na.
Hala, oy, mas gamit ninimo kay ballpen dai. Mairis.
Ma-erase nga ballpen?
Oh.
Ay, di sunod ko to na sad.
Oo. Nya si idol na sa tagaan yung ballpen yung ma-erase. Salamat Cindy.
Kanang vlog nimo dai. Dira ko.
Oy, dapat mag-English mo kay nako international followers.
Sorry pag open. Ay, dala din.
Unsa na Cindy? Basaha daw.
Tempura sushi.
Ako'y basa. I love you, Diechie and Melissa and idol. Kamsahamnida Crips.
Ani. Ikaw samit lang. Samit lang. Cindy
Siya may gikan Japan.
Ay, ano sa ba? Like this. Narata ka. Eh, wala nang short. Yan, ang daya. Asa mo na yaw?
Si size na mo na
Mami ha? Kamu kilit.
Dili pwede kami sa ito nga, no?
Ha?
Di sad pwede kami ito nga.
Dili, I mean kami sa okay, aram mo kilit.
Project unsa ba?
Sige, open. I-open
Asa
ka
mo
ni.
yan sa kura nga?
Open ka ni.
Ha,
No, hulo gini yung gidolo. Iguro gani unta.
Pwede, madrapos ako sa kunaw, no? Manapos sa siya kaya siya ligo.
Oh my god.
Uy, ikay idol, di ba? Para.
Oh.
Ay, ayaw ka na.
Sigas.
Ay, duha din na.
Oh, perfect. Suya. Kani ingon, ballpen man akong
Isa din na dito, dali sa phone.
O balik pa ato?
Oh, after 3 weeks.
Oh, nya. Padol ra gud kay layo ka ayo.
Kamu to?
Uy, ang birthday ni Lisa.
Istorya.
Hello guys, we're back. So today we're going to document our reunion. This is our 1 year. Look at the owner of the vlog. She's so afraid. She doesn't like it. So let's go guys. So yes, we're on our way to eat. Then Cindy will be the one to treat us today. So yes, look at that. Right, so here we go. So as usual, we are not able to decide. We cannot decide where we're going to eat because first, we do not have the budget. Second, we're poor. Ha? Susali na ka din? Oh my God. Ow. So, always jud me broke. Okay, we do not know. Seaside ra susala mo. Yo, Jude. Oh, dara. Uy, Melissa, this is not picture. Dapat na sige kag storya.
Okay.
So, alright. Tips vlogging 101 is that you need to always talk. Oh, dara. Yeah. Ganahan lang siya ipapil sa vlog.
Wala na.
So, where to, guys?
So, asa mo ta padulong?
Dapat na kay ko Andre kanang appearance kay muning vlog.
Ay, odi ay. Dili man guess man ta mo.
Yes. So, this is our collaboration. By the way, follow me. So right now, guys, we're trying Diechie's phone in vlogging because we're not bringing our cameras. This is the misadventures of the Nobody Knows group. So, by the way, background, misadventures kay basta nakakamalas mong ito always.
Hindi mo siya adventure.
So, by the way, just a background, these three have been together for the past, pila, 20 years? Mga tigulang na ni sila. 20 years na nila ang friendship. Grade 5. Grade 5? Grade 5 ba mo? Grade 2? Oh, see, grade 1 pa sila. Niya ako kay high school, first year. And I'm stick with this 4, so wala ko'y choice, you know. Akong career kay mo flourish na ta siya, mo bloom. Lagi legal age ra ta uy.
Oh, we are 18.
So, look at that.
Fresh from our debut.
Boomerang guys, boomerang. Ikaw na, sorry. Sorry. Alright, so by the way, guys, after 10 years, we're still walking and looking for a place to eat. So, here, the two of them. Hi! Fourth floor. Third floor di ay. Sorry, I don't know how to count. Melissa. Ikaw ang math major, Melissa.
Dapat alam mo yan.
Oh, third floor. Okay.
Okay, now, third floor.
So, the owner of the vlog, ladies and gentlemen, is so shy. She's afraid that a lot of people...
Vlog pa siya. Hindi na siya
Maulaw siya, tanawin siya sa mga tao while doing the vlog in the mall. So, we are really trying to expose her today.
So tips, kung nagplano mo og vlog,
Dapat di mo siya i-type. Yes!
Dapat daghan kag friends nga mo support nimo.
Oh, dili ni mo siya i-hide in public. You need to get as much support as possible. Diba, Diechie? See? And then you need to speak English daw for the international followers.
Follower naman.
Kung naa.
Cindy just came back from Japan and I'm going to ask her what's in Japan. Can you tell me something about Japan?
Something that you can see in the Philippines. That's what Japan is. There's water, there's land, there's air, there are trees. That's in Japan.
Now going to lunch. Alam niyo guys, kanina I'm with Idol.
English mo ka.
At this moment we are looking for a place to eat. Something social, something that you cannot afford.
Diechie, sa kakailaran din siya.
Ang mga lazy people, I know English, they know the lazy people will always look at the directory, and I'm so thankful for SM Seaside because they provide the Filipinos the directory. Thank you so much.
Di na sila kuan kung fudge. Pero wala man fudge, mura siya upan na sa fudge.
Pero dessert lagi.
Sister company sa
Hukad
fudge.
Hukad na lang ta.
Sige, ukad na lang ta.
Diechie,
Ayun ang nalang hukad ta. O, sige, let's go, bye.
sila rin di-order. Hindi sila mabayad. Wala mo rin. Here and subscribe niya mo
Pindot man na. Di man di siya catchy. Mga minitanaw. Kung catchy para sa amo, di catchy po sa ubang audio. Di man di catchy sa amo nga friends ta.
Diba mo sakit kayo?
That's the truth. That's the truth.
Hindi na ka friends, hindi ikibayad rin sila.
Saan ka pagka-catchy?
still inside the mall, but we are in SM City Cebu and we are so tired. That's all. Thank you. It's already 6 o'clock in the evening and we are again in the third mall. That's the 8 p.m. Central Mall. Nagmahay ko nga naami dire kay nagtuo. Kay nagtuo mig 69 pesos niya. 300 ang ipabayad namo. O niya si Melissa, di siya musugot nga siya rin mo bayad. Kailangan magtunga pa jud me. Ay. Ako pa yung ID. Pilay mong bayran na tanan?
300?
Yung sa food, ikaw lang pili.
300 pero
Consumable.
divisible na siya by 3. You, me, and I though.
Dili lang kumukanta man.
1 hour sa data.
1 hour. So, if ever mo dagdag other hour, Cindy na bahala to.
Sige, go.
Dili, ay kanang, dili na lang food. 2 hours na lang na.
Ayaw, i-consume na to. Alkan sito. Dili ta mo gan. Kanang hapit ako malobat and I don't know if this will be the last video. So, thank you very much for watching for this whole day. Sa mukha niya.
Bye-bye, tira.
Thank you very much. Goodbye and see you for our video, okay? That's all. Thank you. Matag musuda ni upuan ka ng Mel. Mura ta musudog something mura ta musudog hilayan. Yuki 100 days.